In this tutorial, I'm going to talk to you about iframes. An iframe is what enables us insert a different website into our own website. Right now, you can see this website, my blogging website, I inserted into this HTML document. Okay, see this link. This is our development project. And you can see this link is on our local PC, but I have a live website inside of my HTML document. How is this possible? This is possible through iframe. Okay, now let me take you to my live website. You can see this is the live website, but with the help of iframe, I'm able to insert this my blogging website to my HTML website. Okay, so let's learn about iframes in this video. If you are ready, I'm ready. Let's go ahead and see how to work with iframes. Here I have my code editor opened. Inside it, I created a file called iframes.html, and here it is. Now inside the body, the opening and closing of body, let's enter our code for iframe. Okay, so we're going to insert my blogging website onto this document. Okay, so let me change my heading, my title, to something like iframe, like this. Okay, now let's begin. Let's put iframe, so we'll put less than iframe, and then we close it. Now inside the head of iframe, let's specify our path, so we put src equal to, inside this quotation, let's put a link to our website. Okay, so I'll put, but before that let's go to our web browser and see what is happening. Okay, so this is our document and this is our link to our local file. Let's reload, and you can see there's a frame here. That is why it's called iframe. Okay, so it will create a little frame on our browser. You see that this is a frame. So we'll go back to our development area, and this time let's specify our URL. So we'll put https like this, colon, and let's put our link, so webbuilders.com. okay, like this. Now go to our web browser, reload, and we need an internet connection for this. Okay, so, and here we go. There's a little website inside our browser, inside our frame. Okay, you can see that. We can scroll. You can see this is a website inside our iframe. Now our iframe is small, so we have to specify or give it some height and width. Okay, so I'll take you to our code editor, and this time we're going to give it or specify width and height. So we'll put width equal to quotation, and here we put 100%. That way it will take the whole width of our web browser. So 100% width. I'll take you to our browser, reload, and as you can see, it's taking 100% of our web browser. You can see that. Next, we need to specify the height of our iframe. Again, I'll take you to our code editor, and this time let's specify the height, or let's assign height to it. So we'll put height like this. I'll put equal to code inside this code, we're going to give it a height. So put something like 1000 pixels, and pixel is a unit of measurement in code. Okay, we go to our web browser, reload, and as you can see, we have a website living inside another website, and this is what we call iframe. Okay, now let's talk about the dangers of iframe, but before that, let's go ahead and place this URL with something like Amazon or Google. Okay, so maybe let's put Google here, google.com, and let's go to our web browser, reload, and see what will happen. Okay, reload, and as you can see, Google is blocked. So some websites don't support iframe. This is because users or developers can deceive people. They can embed a different website like eBay, Amazon, those shopping websites, and deceive people to make purchases on, or redirect people to their websites and scam them. That's why iframes are not supported with some websites. Okay, I hope the explanation is clear. Let me repeat that. With iframes, there are restrictions. Some websites have disabled iframes from users, so a developer cannot insert a website like eBay onto their own website because of scam purposes. Okay, some people have tried to scam people through their websites by embedding other people's websites onto their website, posting, okay, pretending they are those giant websites. So that is the dangers of iframe. So a website like Google is not supported. We're not able to iframe this website. In my next HTML episode, we're going to learn about display types in HTML. If you're not yet a subscriber to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. That way, anytime this video is released, you are notified. Take care.